Welcome to Cooking with Resh. So today we are going to make Selmolina Halwa. Now Selmolina Halwa is a variation of the popular Tushar Shinni. So if you know what that is, you're going to love this. It is really soft, really easy to make, really quick to make, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So here are the ingredients. You need half a cup of sugar, half a cup of fine semolina, half a cup of ghee, 4 cardamoms and raisins or almonds. It is optional to use almonds in this recipe. If you choose to use almonds, all you have to do is put it in hot water for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you can peel the skin and then chop it up. So firstly, we are going to make the sugar syrup. For the sugar syrup, this is really easy. All you have to do is add in 2 cups of water into a saucepan and let that boil. As it's boiling, add in 4 cardamoms. Let the cardamoms release its flavour into the water. If you prefer, you can just use 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder instead. Once the water is hot, add in half a cup of sugar and let that dissolve. Allow the sugar to dissolve on low flame. As you do this, I suggest you move this pan to another stove because we need space free for another pan. Meanwhile, we are going to prep the semolina. We are going to roast the semolina for 5 minutes. Dry roast half a cup of semolina in a frying pan on the lowest flame. You won't see any change here, but if you do this, you will enhance the flavour for when you use it later on. Once it's done roasting, you can place it in a bowl so we can use it later. Now clean that pan because we are going to reuse that pan. So now we are going to add half a cup of ghee into the pan, wait for it to melt. After it's melted, we're going to add in the roasted semolina and stir it on low flame until the semolina has turned golden brown. When the ghee has melted, add in half a cup of the roasted semolina that you made earlier and stir that on the lowest flame. You are going to stir this semolina for 10 minutes until it has turned nice and golden brown. That's when you know it's ready. As you see, it will start to look a little bit like damp sand. This is the kind of texture we are looking for. Now right here is where you can add in the chopped almonds to the semolina. If you want, you can also add raisins to the water. Adding it to the water will make it softer. Finally, join the sugar syrup to the semolina. This bit is scary because it will make a lot of noise and a lot of steam. So my suggestion is pour in the water slowly to reduce the amount of steam that comes out. Pour the sugar syrup in, bit by bit, really slowly, and you will see that it will all transform into a dough in under a minute. This bit is actually so satisfying. It's my favourite bit. It's because you're seeing 2 different things come together and mix into one delicious dough. Right in front of your eyes. It is such a smooth transition. Wow. When you have reached a consistency like this, you know you have finished. This is the kind of consistency we want. We want it to look like a nice and squishy dough, like this. And now that you're finished, you can finally transfer it onto a bowl and serve it hot. Make sure you don't eat the whole thing though, because it is very sweet, so it's good to share. So, how did yours go, huh? Was yours as good as mine? Now, if you really like the recipe, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also do not forget to hit the notification bell, because then you'll know every single time I upload a new video.